Hi, welcome to Baylis Accessories. I'd like to show you a few enhancements that can be added to your car before or after delivery. All our Genuine Vauxhall front and rear floor mats are tailored to your make and model and start from £39.99. Have you thought about a European safety kit containing all the essentials needed when travelling? This comprehensive kit starts from £29.99. Our plug and play dash cams start from only £79 with the option for it to be fitted by one of our team of professionals. Dash cams are a must-have on modern roads, ready to capture the unexpected. A supplied and fitted Bluetooth car kit from £199, essential for safely taking phone calls, hands-free when out and about. Fully fitted colour-coded rear parking sensors from £299, which are a handy addition to your vehicle, helping you get into those tricky parking spaces. How about a fixed or detachable tow bar, which is supplied and fitted from £395. All our tow bars are fitted to meet all current legislation. For more information on any of the accessories mentioned or any of the other accessories in the range, please contact our accessory specialists.